This learning is Leili Nishmas Broya Bas Hananya, Masach Sheviis, Perek Mishna Dalid. Ha'omer lapayel, someone who tells a worker, Hey lach iser zeh, take this iser, which is a certain coin, ulokait li yarakayim, and pick vegetables for me today. So the halacha is that this is not considered that he's paying for the produce of Sheviis with the money, and therefore the money now has the kedusha of Sheviis and has to be used to buy food, which is treated as Sheviis. But rather we look at it that he's paying for the labor, and therefore schare mutter. The money is mutter, meaning it doesn't have the kedusha of Sheviis, it's just regular money. However, if the person told his worker, "Lekaitli bayarakayim, pick for me today vegetables for this iser," which means that he's saying that he wants the value of an iser, that means that he's paying for the vegetables themselves, so then the halacha is schare asr, meaning that it has the kedusha of Sheviis. The Mishnah continues with another teaching. Lokach men anachtaim kikar bepundyon, if a person took from a baker a loaf of bread that's worth a pundyon, so it's just saying the value, but they didn't speak about payment. And then the one who's buying it said, Kishe elkit yarkis soda avilach, when I collect vegetables from the field, I'll bring them to you. Now the halacha is that a person can pay a debt from the produce of Sheviis, because that's called doing business with the produce of Sheviis. However, over here, since the vegetables that grow in the field are available to everyone, so this is not considered payment, but rather it's considered a gift, and therefore the halacha is mutter, this is permitted. However, if lokach mimenu stam, if he just bought it plainly without saying anything, so if he wants to pay at the time with money of Sheviis, that's permitted, because money of Sheviis can be used to buy food, which is then treated like Sheviis. However, if he didn't pay him at the time and he wants to pay him later, so then the halacha is lo yishalem le midmei Sheviis. He's not allowed to pay him from the money of Sheviis, because since he didn't pay it at the time of the purchase, so now what he's doing is paying a debt, and that's not allowed. And the reason is she'ein perin chayiv midmei Sheviis. You're not allowed to pay a debt from the monies of Sheviis, because paying a debt is considered doing business, which is not allowed to be done with the payers of Sheviis.